Woo! Day 3. Alright, so still digging, man. Still digging. It's a lot of work. I have found out that by taking the cap off, there's a chance of I can mess up the boat big time, deform the hull and everything like that. So I have been working hard at trying to dig out around the bow. So if I switch it around here, you can see. But yeah, I gotten all this. That's all coming from the bow. Still haven't got that far here. I cut this wood right here, and it looks pretty good wood, but I'm not sure how the other wood around the motor mount is. I'm just praying that it's okay and the transom's okay. But so far, I'm heading this direction. Oh, looks like, see, I basically cut all the way up there. I'm gonna have to grind all that to flat, I'm sure. But I've kind of got all that there, which looks like, so you can see there's no wood in there. That fiberglass is basically just keeping that thing up, because I'm 260 pounds and I can actually walk on the bow. But I'm pretty sure if I take those out, that ain't gonna happen anymore. I'm gonna fall right through. So looks like over here, man, they're so thick. Look at that. Looks like they replaced something over there. That's where they had the live well. I basically tore that out. Yeah, don't need that. So I tore that out, and I got fiberglass growing. It's weird. Anyways, that's about as far as I got so far. 3 days. I think I'm actually doing pretty good. Like I said, I'm laid off, so I'm not really going anywhere. It does look like it's kind of leaning to the right a little bit, so looks like, because I'm tearing all that out and it's losing its stability. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on tearing that out. Obviously, going to grind all this down so it's flat, so I can lay my new boards in, and somehow get boards underneath there. Got to take that board out, even though it looks okay on this side, but it's still kind of rotten in the front. So I got to take that out, and that side too. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Maybe put a jack there or something right there to keep it from caving in. Maybe, I don't know. But that composite's got to be all cut out on that side and on that side as well. And then this board that runs along down here, I gotta cut that out because that's covered in composite. So I got a lot of work to do, but I'm getting there. It's a lot of work, but I'm getting there. So thanks for all you guys that are watching this. So my new project I've never done before.